Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So today we are going to go to do a challenge. Not a challenge because challenge my mom said we'll do it later in Kolhapur. So right now we are going to go to do street shopping. And now we are searching for rickshaw because here this was the rickshaw stand. Oh, we found the rickshaw. Wow, what good thing. Arey, bad luck. It was not a rickshaw, it was filled. तो वी होप हमें रिक्शा मिल जाए. देखते हैं रिक्शा को. Oh there, it's coming. तो गाइस हमें फाइनली मिल चुका है हमारा रिक्शा. वेट ठीक है. Now. Yeah, there it is. Yeah, this side it is. This side. See, all from here. Earring you find, yeah. Others, yeah. तो गाइस यहाँ पे मम्मी को कुछ पसंद आ गया है. दिस ब्लू कलर. दिस पूरी प्रिंट है बाहर लगा है वो भी है. तो गाइस अब हमें इयररिंग्स चाहिए दीदी के लिए और उसकी फ्रेंड के लिए चाहिए. तो हम पहले वो लेंगे. हम विल गो. अरे मामा हम यहाँ पे आ गए इयररिंग्स देखने के लिए. इयररिंग्स शी सेड. इयररिंग्स सही है. इतना बड़ा इयररिंग सही है. आओ उधर से मैं यसी आहे. असलं एवढं लहान कुठे लागणार. यसी लाईक दिस. सी लाईक दिस इयरिंग शी वांट. अगं असले घरात होती ना. शी जस्ट सेड गेट इयरिंग फॉर मी अँड फॉर श्रेया. अशी मेटलची. या हे त्यांचं वेगळं. इथे या विल टेक लाईक दिस टाइप ना. पण ते लय शॉर्ट आहे. ते शॉर्ट घालते. तिला लांब पाहिजे का शॉर्ट. हवा असा. शी जस्ट से गेट इयरिंग हे शॉर्ट ओनली. हे पण कधी सरळ बघ. या दिस एंड डाउन. आणि बघ कुठली पाहिजे. हा आहे हे दिस वन. हमने ये लिया. कड़ा हे पायाचं हाताचं ना. दुसरं कडा. आणि दुसरं आहे का. 5 जोड सांगितलेली ना. कम Pakan will find there. Crunches I have. Crunches कशाला me, Alice. I'm looking for something new. Take this. Go in front. तू फक्त शूटिंग काढ असं कर काय पाहिजे तर तेच घ्यायचं असं ज्यूस घ्या ठीक आहे तू ये रुको इनसाइड रुको लस्सी की काय तो कल हमने लस्सी लिया है देखने दे हमने ऐसा नहीं Not this way, we come wrong. Oh, Dada,
Haro bola ho. Haro boy, itro boy.
सीधे you on top
कुठे चालले तुम्ही लोक
काय असते ए बिल्डिंग वन दादा कसं हो
कसलं साप
कुठे रे don't
मारून दे खाय
हे जण लांब नाही आहे
हा बघ कसं होते ब्लू कलर बरेच चालेल बघ
न्यू कलर आहे
प्राइस कितना
150 200 है 150 फिक्स रेट
120 में
150 200 है 150
वही तो 120 दे दो
एक ही रेट 150 है 200 का रेट है
घे ग 2-3 कलर घे पाठीमागे कलर बरं असते बघ तू घातलीस तो बघ कलर आहे बघ तिथे पण डिझाईन वेगळा आहे हां
सब न्यू कलर है घ्या 200 घ्या 200 घ्या 200 घ्या
घे मिकी माऊस आहे बघ आणि ज्या दुसऱ्या
ये पहले
हाँ।
दे दो
होय
मुझे बोल तो मुझसे जरा बोल ये कौन सी है बोल
एक
कौन सी है बोल
आणि कलर आहेत मग आणि घेऊ नको परत मग वेगवेगळा कलर आहे तो पण चांगला आहे कलर ग्रीन कलर
मिकी माउस
मग दुसरा कलर बघा असला टाईपचं घे हो असला
या
टाईप
टॉप घ्या मॅडम 200 150 बघा 300 150 घ्या
तो कलर घे हे कलर घे पाहिजे ते हा कलर घे ग्रीन कलर कुठे ग्रीन कलर नाही त्याकडे
और टी शर्ट नहीं है
और है ना कितना चाहिए
दिखा दो नहीं डिजाइन कलर चाहिए उसको ठीक है
ओपन दिस एंड शो तो गाइस मैंने ये लिया है सिर्फ एक लेट्स सी मोर समवेयर एल्स अरे पुट पुट इनसाइड
कम में एक चीज लगा है
तो गाइस अब का टाइम हुआ है 1:31
जैसे कि लगा है कोई कलर का जैसे लगा अगर अलग क्या लगता है
40 रुपये पाव किलो नको 20 रुपये नको खाणार नाही हो. बघा तरी 20 रुपये किती द्यायला ते मला
ले नहीं चाहिए डिजाइन का चाहिए वे वे आई सॉ द वन ये वाह इसमें दूसरा कलर है
इसमें मिलेगा थोड़ा बाहर रेंज का आएगा सर
और ग्रे इसमें इसमें नहीं चाहिए
ये 900 950 से आ गया आगे सर
यहाँ पर लिया
द्यायचं काय रेट फिक्स रेट
I don't know.
कलर कसला
ग्रीन है येलो है ब्लैक है वाइट है
You look.
थोडा वाईट किती रुपये तू असलं घेऊन कुठे जाणार आहे नम्रता
Just give an art. Give a letter box. Not there. दादा फेक द्या नाही हे नो
अगे एक बेल कोण मला
that side it is turn to this one ये द्या
कौन सा दो ये
हे दिला
कौन रख कौन आता है आमचे
कितना है भैया
80 80
क्या है टी
अरे फूड है
50 रुपये दे दो 50
रेट नहीं कर
50 रुपये दे दो
रेट नहीं माल दिया
बता दो वापस
कैसा रहेगा
असं दुकानातून घ्यायचं नाही कानाखाली सेम रेटने तिथे सवाय
what we wanted we took, but there's like so much crowd over here, so we'll come next time. We'll do a part 2 of this. So we got the shop and So guys, we do very limited stuff and I will show you that later when I reach. So now we are going back to home. Hey guys, so हमने क्या क्या लिया था is all over here. So all the prices will be down in the box, in the description box below, so you can go check it out. And also in this video I'm going to show you like what I've got from Star Mall, which I went on Sunday. No, I went on Monday or Sunday, I don't know. So I got from there also t-shirts, very beautiful, and the rates, like I will show you that price and street price and that quality and this quality, and you'll see what is the difference between them. So yeah, the first thing what I took was earring, and you can see the pictures here. So I have taken two because my sister wanted one for herself and one for her friend. So these are the two earrings. They are actually very nice, and we got it like for 140, 120 I think. I don't know. लेकिन जब हम दूसरे शॉप पे गए और हम बोले कि इसका प्राइस कितना है, then he said that it was for 40 rupees. So we think that, so he put extra price or his own price, because wherever we went it was 40 rupees only. Like we checked after this getting this earring, so this we got very expensive than other shops. Over there also there was nice, but I don't know. So iske, yeah, after this we got lassi, because getting only one stuff we got so tired, because you know it was first of all a plus. So like this and like this side also shops, this side also shop, that side also shop, and this side also shop. So it was like a mess, and I think, you know, going for street shopping, mostly for doing a video, you need at least 2 to 3 hours to be over there. We just, for at least, no, for 1 hour it became waiting for rickshaw. From there going till that temple, it became like 15 minutes. From there going to a jewelry shop to exchange something. From there, then coming down straight. And over there we forgot the road only where to go, because you know it was a mess. It was like a plus, like here people, here people, there people, and here also people. And it was so crowded with rickshaw, bike, cycles, and all. So that's why we it became very early for us. But we plan to make a part 2 maybe in Goa, maybe a food vlog. Let's see, it will be my first food vlog. But this was my first ever street vlog making this thing, and actually my idea was to do a challenge basically. So do a challenge with something else, and it got flopped because we didn't find rickshaw only. Then I do plan the second option, B option, so this became somewhat successful. Okay, so the second thing was lassi. Third thing is anjeer, which I like and which we took. The fourth thing is Keriamba. Basically, it's a mango, but it's raw mango, which is very long, like so much. So this, so we took that, and we took imli, that is tamarind. We took two. One was the soft, and one was like it was khatta mita both, and one was with masala with chili powder and all. So that one. And the fourth thing we took was blue shirt, long t-shirt. So over here, this one I didn't feel the quality was, it was normal, क्योंकि उसमें ना जो टी शर्ट मैंने स्टार मॉल में लिया था और यहाँ पे लिया था was a big difference. So eating tamarind, my gala became rough later, so that's why I'm able to talk very that. Okay, the fifth thing was 3 packs of shirt. Over there, I saw so many t-shirts, but you know, I'm not feeling like to buy only because the quality was very cheap. The price also was very cheap, but it was not looking worth it. Like, and over there, going and shopping was not fine for me, because street shopping, buying clothes and all, it was not fine. I think so today there's too much sun. Yeah, the big window. I've not switched on the lights. And if I switch on the lights, it looks somewhat like this. Wait. So guys, it looks somewhat like this, very bright. So one light is over here. See, one light is here, one light is there. Then this street light. One light is here, one light is there. Then the wire light. Then over there two. Then over here two, over here one, and in the center one. Ah, it's so bright. Okay, I'll close the lights. And guys, this is without lights. So yeah, I sit actually in front of a open window because it's much better than instead of wasting light. Okay, then the finding t-shirt was very tough for me because I wanted a t-shirt, a shirt or a t-shirt. But when I went to like the street and buying, they showed me very bakwas quality first of all, and I didn't feel like buying only that time. So I got it from another shop, like a shop. Yeah, I have the no. You can say it over here. Kidhar bhi. And the fifth item was we took after that. My mom wanted some kurta, something very something kurta, something she took I think. So that she wanted, and after that it was done. Actually, this shopping haul became very limited. We wanted something. I planned something extreme. Then yeah, so this was like a limited shopping haul in Kolhapur. So I hope you like this video. If you did, like, share, subscribe, and I will meet you in another next vlog. Maybe food vlog. I will think about that. Maybe in Goa or something we'll do like that, or something very spicy we will do a challenge. So देखते रहिए, and I will meet you in the next another vlog. So till then, bye.